What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on BABA ticker.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then we'll continue with the fundamental news that might drive the price of this company. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis. And I will show you what should we expect next. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to earn 2 free stocks with Moomoo valued up to $7,000, please check out that link in the description below. All you have to do is sign up for an account and deposit as little as $1. This is guaranteed free money. Full details you can see on the screen right now. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here at this point and I've told you that we should have some movement to the downside in order to complete this structure, and this is the falling bullish wedge. And if it is the case, we should break it to the upside, and this purple line shows the potential price action of this asset. And definitely for now we went lower since I made my previous video, and we hit this range of support, this previous swing low, and for now we are hovering right above this range. So, by the time this video will be posted, we will know the results of their earnings report, and I have to say that for now it is the major catalyst directly related to BABA, because we don't have much news related to the industry or to the potential delisting of Chinese companies. And let me show you this. We all know basically that for now we have the World Economic Forum annual meeting, and basically it ends today. And on this meeting, let me show you this article. New York Stock Exchange sees more Chinese companies listing in the US, and hurdles for stocks like Alibaba cleared in months. Let me quote you this. Davos, Switzerland. One of the top executives from the New York Stock Exchange expects the number of Chinese companies listed in the United States to remain the same or grow, even as that group of stocks remain under pressure from the threat of delisting. And definitely, if some of executives expect this increase in this number, and let me show you the completely opposite opinion. We are on Yahoo Finance, and let me quote you this. US and Chinese regulatory officials are reportedly in talks to create a framework that brings Chinese listed firms here in compliance with the PCAOB. Bernstein said Chinese regulators are unlikely to grant full access to US or PCAOB accounting firms for companies that are deemed to pose security-sensitive risks. That's likely to limit American listings to small and medium-sized firms. There is a certain group of companies, whether that's 100 or 200, that absolutely will have to delist, Bernstein said. But the remaining companies that don't pose a security risk can remain listed in the United States. They would have to probably provide work papers with some minimal reductions, maybe, and they'd be able to comply with the Chinese regulation. And you might wonder, who is Mr. Bernstein? Let me show you some details. Drew Bernstein, managing partner at Markham, Bernstein and Pinchuk. Basically, he's an analyst in some of the companies. And definitely, because of this uncertainty on the markets related to delisting or listing more Chinese companies, we don't have any other news that the earnings report of Alibaba. And by the time this video will be posted, we already in the market, and we know the result of this earnings report, preliminary results, and we can see some price action on the price chart. But I will show you my forecast. For now it is just a forecast in just several minutes, and let's continue with this news. On May 25th, on Seeking Alpha, we have this article that is titled, "Is Alibaba stock a buy before upcoming earnings?" And the summary is following. Alibaba is set to report quarterly results tomorrow, May 26, 2022, before the market opens, in what is likely to be a pivotal report for the company and its shareholders. While Alibaba has lost about 31% of its market cap year to date, with China's economic growth in the doldrums, it is easy to argue that BABA is too cheap right now. Alibaba is trading at 9x price to free cash flow, which is very attractive despite the political and regulatory risks attached to this investment. And I have to say that definitely it will be the pivotal point for Alibaba, because in general we have very low prices for this company since basically 2016 it is the lowest price ever. And one of the catalysts that will be crucial in my opinion is their cloud service. And let me quote you this: Alibaba's expanding footprint in the booming cloud market is expected to have been encouraging. The company's cloud computing business has been gaining a lot of traction in China as well as international regions. Its strengthening global data center network is anticipated to have been beneficial in the to-be-reported quarter. The company has been witnessing solid momentum across the Asia-Pacific region for the past few quarters. The trend is expected to have persisted in the quarter under review. And definitely, if Alibaba will have strong numbers that it had previously related to their cloud service, definitely it will be one of the major catalysts right now. And definitely because of this news, we still have much higher price targets. Even the lowest price target is much higher than the current price. And we have, according to TipRanks, we have 18 ratings in total, and all of them suggest to buy. And the lowest price target is $130, average price target is $168.79, and the highest price target is $276. Definitely, even to the average price, we have about 105% of upside potential. That's why, in my opinion, you can accumulate your investment position with BABA, and in a matter of 2 to 3 years, this asset definitely will bring you a lot of profits. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, what should we expect next from the technical standpoint? Definitely, if the earnings report will beat an expectations and if the guidance will be very promising, definitely we will have a bounce from the range of about $81.58. And if it happens, we should retest this sloping line, this range of support, and if we will have the breakout above this range, and as you can see I drew this price action previously, we might have the retest it from the top. Basically we should see some lower price action, and probably we might have this range as well as the range of support, and we might bounce from it as well. And if we'll have high volume that will be much higher than the previous one, with this movement to the upside, we might hit next major targets. Otherwise, if we'll see some decrease in price, and if this asset will miss the expectations from analysts, and I have to say the estimates for now is $1.12 in earnings per share and about $31.444 billion of revenue. Definitely we will break this range of support, and next range of support probably might be this sloping line, the lower support from this falling bullish wedge. And if it breaks, we will retest this swing low at the price point of $73.28. And depending on the price action right here, definitely we will see an increase in volume, but depending on the price action above or below this range, we will have next potential bounce, or we might see lower price action. This means definitely we have 3 ranges of support below our current range and 1 range of resistance above. This means mathematically we have more chances to hit higher targets depending on the earnings report results. So, and what are the targets? Definitely it is our previous swing highs, and on a short-term period we should break the range of about $94.69. And let me show you this range percentage-wise. We have about 14% to this level. Next one, this previous swing high at $103, and it is more than 25%. And next one might be these ranges of several peaks. It is more than 45% of upside potential up to basically 50% of upside potential, and the price points are $120 to $124. So I think from the technical standpoint that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack.